from the lost of city and town, arrived on the island of Sodor. Produced, were left on the island of Sodor for many years. But from now on, Thomas holds the thing on his hand to tell what the lost Henry, the lost engine, has been very called, and it was announced that Henry the Green Engine is lost on Sodor still. He will be arrived very, very soon. Okay, ready? So you're gonna make me this. Watch me, whip! Oh! You whipped me! Ow! Now he's got himself attack. Poor thing. Oh dear. If I controller gets slippery. Slippery. 80 miles per hour. What's that? Is it a screw? Ew! Is this like farts or something? Oh, it's a screwdriver. Oh! What's you? Percy Beck really knows about that. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! What? What? Ow! God, cheese sauce. A dog in the shirt. Wait, can I explain me something? Do you know what? The Cat in the Hat. More like the dog in the shirt. Now on. Anyways, the Cat in the Hat knows a lot about that. More like the dog in the shirt who doesn't know about this. The dog in the shirt who doesn't know about this. No. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Thomas, you should get... Put me down! Missing engine. Pooped my pants. Ah. Oi! Enough already! You know what? I don't care. That is it, young man. Bertie, no! Later, he climbed a big brick wall in front of him. He pooped his pants. Have a block, Mr. Frank! Ah! I can't have a big tower. Let's go down here. Thomas goes down here until then. After a long brick down here, he saw them there twice. Then he was rushed back to the tower. From now on, doing so much work will get you anywhere. No! Fast from everywhere! It's time to go! Deep inside Island of Sodor, not gonna get you anywhere. I get you freaking ass. Go over there. Thomas and friends, Thomas and friends, Thomas and friends. Oh, those are duck. If you told me this already, go watch Coronation Street. Coronation Street. No. Go like ding 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 ding. No. We need to find Henry. No, we still have to keep looking for it. Yeah, we have to look for Henry now. Because I get ripped over by saying it. Ready? Go get the block. Just over in case. Obviously. Everybody, someone left it to whip this guy with a whip. Have a whip, Mr. fucking shoulder. No! Put Jordan there from now on. Hey! Who Jordan on the block wall? I need to get up. Whip up. Ow. Hey, you blue tiger, Jane. What do you want? No. Your blue tiger doesn't go here. It goes there. Oh, dear me. And our car should be on the road, by the way. A freight train's waiting for me. Join us again for our next adventure on Thomas and Friends. See you back again really soon on Thomas and Friends. Okay, you ready? Goodbye. Bye. Ow, bye. Right, this block goes away. What? That's it. Okay, right? Alright. So never mind. Alright. Takes the stuff away. Thank you. Yeah.